Austin!
Get out of my way! Stop dancing me! Oh! Get out of here! No, oh my god! He's got a basketball! No, I got a basketball! Get out! What? What are you guys doing? Nothing. I'm a dirty hobo! Oh my god, get out! Run! A dirty hobo got loose! I'm gonna kill you! He got a stick! Oh my god! He got a stick! He's got a stick!
Hey, don't hit me!
Great job! He got a stick!
Okay. This is the backyard, Jason and Brandon.
You were nice, dirty hobo!
Ow!
What are you doing, eh?
What are you doing in the video? You're so dirty hobo! I'm gonna kill you! This has been reported. There is now a missing Bigfoot. And I found him! He's right across from us! Right there! There's the Bigfoot!
Where? Oh. Oh, snap.
Hey, mind if I join in?
Sorry.
Yeah, sure, you're another hobo!
Come in, you hobo.
Oh my god, the hobo's coming!
Sisters.
Oh, hello! There's another hobo! You have to, no, me and you are hobos, we have to change that.
Well, that's rude.
Help me! Help me! No way! Hi!
Very safe, hi, mother. Oh, it's right there, bitch. Thanks for the stick. I'm very safe up here. Except for Austin, which is down there with Karen.
What? Take careful! Oh no!
Your side, okay?
So now they are banging each other's sticks. I have no clue why. How many hobos are there going to be in this video?
I'm just literally down there and sever the consequences.
Because you're just that horrible.
Hey, look up behind you.
Whoa, that's one long stick.
Hello, monkey.
Yeah, son of a monkey. You're son of King Kong. That's why you're so hairy. Mr. Harry Finkel.
Hey, I'll see you later. I'm going.
Why are you leaving, my brother?
I don't know.
This is my neighbor's yard.
No.
This is where I can climb to. And then this is a guy with a really large stick. I have no clue what his name is.
Do you know what you forgot to say? We're all idiots.
Yes, we are idiots. Thank you very much.
Hey!
Stop making me think I'm an idiot.